Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, we have completed designing of these text views and all those things, right? Now it's time for us to design the calculator buttons. So now in this one, at the bottom of the screen, so what we'll try to do is we'll try to create the grid layout first of all. Okay, so let's try to start create the grid layout. So here I will be trying to do, so let's go on to the top. Here. So I will be having a grid layout. Okay, in this grid layout it should be match underscore parent and the height will be wrap underscore content. Okay, and here the id, so id for this one will be grid underscore layout, so I will try to give grid underscore layout, and the last one will be the row count, so row count will be 5 and the column count will be 4, and it should be pinned to the bottom of this parent. So here for this one and for this attribute, so I will be trying to tip into the, so here constraint to the top of to the to bottom of, so instead of this one I will try to give it as a parent so that it will be at the bottom. Okay, and it should be something like this and it should be something like this. That's it. So now this is what. So now inside this grid layout, so what I would be trying to do, we need to add the calculator button. So first of all, first row buttons we'll try to add it. So for the first row buttons, what I will be trying to do it is, you can have one app compact button. So here we are using app compact button, not material button, to avoid rounded corners and spacing issues. So app compact button, and here what I would be trying to do, so the height will be, okay, layout height will be 80 dp. Okay, and the text size will be 30 sp. Okay, and the last one what I can do is text color. So for this one, text color will be orange color. Okay, and the background color will be background color, and row, so where it should have row will be the 0 and the column will be 0. So at the first place it should come. And the another one which I would be trying to do it is column weight, so that it will occupy all the thing. Column weight will be 1. That's it, hopefully. And the text, we need to give the text, right? So text will be AC and the ID will be BTN AC. Okay, so this is the button which you would be trying to do it. And now here, so let's copy this one and we'll have another button that is nothing but delete. Okay, del, and here also I will try to give del, and it should have in the column 1. Okay, and remaining all are one and same only. So next one is the another one. So here I will be trying to do the divided by, and here also I can use the div or whatever it may be, and remaining all are one and same, so it should be in the column 2. And now, so fine. So now the next one will be something around multiplication. So here I will be trying to give the star, so here I can give the multiplication. Okay, remaining all is one and the same only, so here it should be have third place. So fine. So now the first layout is finished. So the second row we need to start it. So in the second row, what we will be trying to do, so we will try to add, so here 7 8 9. Okay, 7 8 9. So 7 8 9 means, so here you can have the 7 and it should be 0 0, and here button 7. That's it. So hopefully this is the thing, and it should be in the row 1 0. Okay, and the next one will be 7 is completed, and you will be having the 8, and here also I will add the 8, and here you will be having the row 1 and column 1. That's it. Now here I will be trying to do something like 9. Okay, 9, and column should be 2, and here also it should be 9, and the last one will be something like minus. Okay, so I will be trying to do the minus, and this one is also minus, and here also it should be 3. Fine, right? So now we have created 789. So the next one will be something like 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6, and we can add the plus symbol. Okay, 4 5 6. So 4 5 6 plus symbol. Okay, let's go here. So let's try to have here 4. Okay, and this one is also 4, and here it should be column 2, row 2, and it should be in the 0 place. 4. So like this, and that's it, finish. So 4 5 6 and the plus symbol. So these are the three things which we need to do. So here it should be 5, and here I need to add the 5, and it should be in the 1 place. Fine. And here it should be 6, and this one is also, we should write it as 6, and here I should write it as a 3. Oh no, not 3. Column weight is 1 only, and column is 2. Fine. And the last one is plus, and this one is plus, and column is 3. So fine, 4 5 6 plus this one is also coming. So now here another one is, so the last one is 3 to 1 equal. So here you need to write 1 2 3 4. So 4, 1 2 3 4. So here we have written it. So plus is already there. Okay, so here we need to write it. So what I can do, so 1 2 3, right? So here I can add 1. So here also we can do it as an 1, and row 3, it will become row 3, and this one also 0. So that's it. So here button 1, and this one is 2, and the last one is 2, and here also row 3, and this one is 1. So fine. And here what we can do, 3, and this one is also 3, and here you can add as a 3, and you can add as a 2. Fine. And last one is equal button equal row 3 and button 3. Fine. So fine, right? So this one is looking fine. And the last one is, what we can do it is, so here I can copy this one, and I will be trying to paste it this one like this, and here dot button dot orange color button dot, and here you should have it as a 4, and you should have it as a 0. Okay, and we'll try to make it as a 0, this one. Okay, and this one is 0. So what I would be trying to do it is, so here row is there, so which is of 1, so sorry, which is of 4, and this one should be 2, 1, and I will try to make it as a column span so that it will be occupied in the 2 places. So fine, I would be trying to do it like this, and the equal to is there, right? So this equal to, so this equal to, so we can make the row span as 2, and I can drag this one instead of this one. I can drag it like this. So fine, right? And I can make this one background color as orange color, and the text color, where is the text color for this one? Yeah, text color as white. So how it is looking fine, right? So this is what I would be trying to design it. So instead of this all having 7 8 9, these all things, we can keep it as a black, this one actually. So 7 8 9. So where is this one all? 7 8 9. Yeah, here 7 is there. So instead of having the text color, so here you can have the text color actually. So instead of having this one, so you can have the 7 8 9 text color. So it will look nice. So this one is not needed. So here you can have this 4 also text color, and also this text color, and this one is not needed, and this one is text color, and this one also text color, and what is this one? Button equal. Okay, keep it like this, and dots also we can keep it as text color, and the 0 also we can keep it as a text color. See, now So if I change this one to the theme, to the background night theme, so here if I try to change it to night theme, see it is working exclusively nice. So it is changing the colors also according to your dark mode and this one. So this is what I want to design the layout. So now we have designed the layout. We have switched back the light mode and also the night mode. So the color also changes automatically. So if I try to change it to night mode, so you can able to see, so you are able to see some colors, right? So this one we can go to the constraint layout for this one, and I can apply the background color for this as a background color. Now it will look like nice. If I try to change it to not night mode, so it will be in the white color. So this is what we'll be trying to do. Our full calculator design is now complete. So what we have did, we have designed the toolbar, light and dark mode, status bar color, history and text views, grid layout with all the buttons, auto sizing the text, and responsive layout for many screen sizes also we get it. In the next video, what we'll try, let's try to move to the landscape mode. See, so we'll try to see this one also. So that one we'll try to see it. So just a basic thing we have did it. That's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.